So after running this Gibson second string through the jet, and you can use different size strings, and that's the nice thing about it. These springs are, guitar strings are stiff and they don't damage anything. So let's take this off again, right here, and we'll hold it up to the light again. And you can, voila, you see the light through there, the hole? That means it's okay, good. So, when we're building this, we think, oh, it's such a hard thing to do. I mean, it's going to be impossible. All you do is take your pilot jet, put it in where the pilot jet goes, okay? All it takes is a screwdriver like this. And I'm doing it one-handed, so it can't be that hard, right? And we just screw that on like that. And what you want to do is you want to screw it in snug and then give it just a little final fit like a deal. Okay, then your emulsion tube goes in. And emulsion tubes usually don't get clogged or anything. Emulsion, what it means is that when the fuel is shot through the main jet, right there, it vaporizes in these little holes, and that's what's called emulsion. So we take it and stick it in where it goes, and it screws in very easily. And for time's sake, we're going to put the main jet in right here. And that goes in, and you want to do the same thing you did with both the other things. You want to just snug them in there. Okay? Then we have to put on the float bowl, which is right here. Float bowl has a little tiny pin, and it has a little valve right there. So what we do is, Christ. Huh. How do I do this? I think maybe I can do it this way. Yeah, that'll work. Your valve is a little rubber valve, and it just shuts the gas on and off. If the damn thing will work for me, which would be nice. See, if I can do this one-handed, you can surely do it with two hands. It's not that hard to do. The best way to do it is to put it onto the float bowl, and it sticks right here. Right there. Okay? And then all you have to do is hang that on there like that. Alright? And you stick that down into the gas orifice, and you can just let it drop like that. No problem, okay? Easy. Then we take the pin, and the pin will go from here through the float bowl assembly. If I can get it to work with one hand. Shit. Went right through, but it didn't hit the... Damn it. It didn't hit the... Alright, we'll line that back up again. So you do it with two hands. And all these carburetors are the same. Go like this, and like... We'll try it like this. So I have to do this, aim the camera, pray I can get this damn thing to fit. Let's see. Put that in there. Come on, damn it. Oh, shit. I don't want to turn this camera off and do this. I want to do it with one hand. See if we can do it like this. Come on. Get in there. Get in there. Come on. Piece of shit. Fuck. Oh, that's nice. You piece of crap. anyway, you make sure that your valve is on the deal here. Then you want to push your pin all the way through, and it'll just stay there. Okay, it will not fall out because this part right here is on each side of the pin, right here and right here. Now all you have to do is stick on the gasket, 2 screws, and you're done with the bottom part. The rest of it goes onto the throttle cable, which we'll get to.